Hey man, thanks for making the project. I'm trying to run the auction bot. So it's over here. Install Visual 2019, all that other stuff. I did 2012, the 2010, 2012 distro based on that. Add the cache folder to the app data roaming macros engine, whatever. And when I run it, like this, not support exception. I kind of pasted it for you. .NET. I installed all the .NET stuff. 3.7.8 made an update. I don't know if that means anything to you. So Visual 2019. Blah 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 blah. See here. Features. Oh wait. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't have anything installed. I want to show you the .NET, but I'm not able to get to it for some reason. Select this server, yeah, right there. There it is, okay. Yeah, the .NET 4.7, 4.5. Everything's kind of there. Yeah, I don't know what else to add here. Alright, let me know what I need to. Yeah, and I also installed macros engine. Right here. And I think that loads up with the same error too. Oh, you know what? And then I'll run it as administrator. Same problem, I think. Yeah, same problem. System not supported exception occurred. Fast action built to sandbox. Alright, let me know what to do. Thanks.